So are you saying without the question mark, it wouldn't like log the results or trace the
Yes.
results?
Yeah, you could. We can test that if you want.
Yeah, I'm just checking. So where like
With traces. That's where we're getting it. So see how it says must say hello equals false on that first one?
first one must say hello. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. But isn't this the test? I think this is the test. This is not
Let's
being
see.
logged because the test says
No, it doesn't.
no, it doesn't.
Yeah, it's remove the question mark of must
Yeah,
wherever it's failing. Remove both of them, I guess.
yeah. I'm gonna take these off and I'm gonna try
And then
it
that
one.
that third trace statement of the first function
Yeah, I'm going
will
to
will not be there.
let's see. That's right. You're right. It doesn't say, so the
So
difference is
yeah,
in the
maybe let's
previous
remove
one,
these.
must be signed is false, must say hello is false. So this is not showing up if we do not put the question marks.
Here,
Okay.
run it again.
So what did you change?
Just run it.
Uh,
Okay, I removed the other trace statement, so it's easier to figure out what we're
I
talking
see,
about.
I see. Okay. So the question mark literally shows up as a trace that show up in your tests.
Yeah, like
Okay.
a named trace. It like tells us what variable is failing. So it's just a shorthand instead of writing that whole statement.